Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this quick guide, I will show you how to fix the message failed to send error on Reddit. Whether you are messaging someone or replying in chat, this should help. So first, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue is network related. Next, close and restart the Reddit app completely. This can fix temporary bugs that interrupt sending messages. For Android users, just simply go to Settings. Then tap on Apps and Notifications. Then go to Reddit. And then Storage and Cache. Then tap Clear Cache. This removes corrupted temporary files. Try logging out of your Reddit account and logging back in. Sometimes session issues can prevent messages from sending. If your account is very new, Reddit may temporarily restrict messaging. You might need to wait or earn more karma before you can send messages. At last, even after doing all these steps, if nothing works, try using the Reddit website in your browser and see if the message goes through there. As a last resort, visit support.reddithelp.com to report the issue, especially if it persists across multiple devices. And that's how to fix the message failed to send error on Reddit. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have got any queries to troubleshoot. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.